2 weeks ago, we analyzed EuroCAD as one of the best forex pairs on our watch list. And currently, we are looking to allocate capital on EuroCAD because the opportunity is ready. Welcome to Xtaduk Capital. This is our July weekly forex analysis, where we analyze the best forex pairs on our watch list that we believe will be of help to you. We saved EuroCAD for last, so you should watch the end of this video. You don't want to miss it. If you'd like to see more of this video, subscribe to our channel, turn the notification on, and you'll be notified of our future videos. So let's go to the chart. This is the trade we took on gbpusd last week that we analyzed on our last weekly chart analysis, and it played out very nice. So we'll clean up this chart now and reanalyze this market in 2 simple steps so that it will be easy for you to understand. If I clean up my chart, now I have to squeeze this market. So as you can see on my screen, you can see that gbpusd pro trend is bullish. After this pullback, gbpusd made its way back up to break structure here. So if I mark this will be a break of structure, and after that break of structure, you can see that this is the low, our pro range. So this will be our strong low, and this will be our weak high. So this is our pro range. We've already identified that our pro structure on gbpusd, the pro trend, is bullish. So now let us see what the substructure is doing on gbpusd. So before we proceed, I will mark here to be our demand zone. So this is our demand zone, and if we zoom this chart a little bit more, you can see that gbpusd substructure is bearish. After this pullback, it went on to break structure to the downside. Okay, so the stop structure is bearish, so we'll mark it as a break of structure, internal break of structure, and this becomes our internal strong high, and this becomes our internal weak low. This is the substructure we are trading. We are looking to trade on gbpusd. Okay, now we will take it a bit more further into the substructure to currently identify what the market is currently doing now and how we look to get involved in this trade. So now this is our substructure. If I pick my fib from point A to point B, you can see that since substructure is bearish, we are looking to sell, right? Then this market is in our premium where we are looking to sell. Now, if I remove this fib too, what you will understand now is that gbpusd substructure is still what? Bullish. Okay, so this will be a break of structure, still internal break of structure, and this is the most recent low that this market is presenting to us. This makes here the main range we are looking to trade on this market. Okay, in as much as gbpusd substructure is still bearish, the substructure is still what? Bullish. So the way we will still lean bullish on gbpusd is now if I pick my fib from point A to point B on this most recent structure we've identified, gbpusd is currently at our discount where we ought to be looking for both buys. So if we get a buying opportunity here, we might consider allocating capital on GU to go to the upside. Okay, but if we don't get the entry confirmation and GU goes on to take out this low, now we'll be very, very interested in what? Allocating capital to go to the downside to take out this weak substructure. Okay, so these are the 2 ways we're looking to play gbpusd. Depends on what the market does on Monday morning. We'll decide if we'll be looking for what? Buys, or we'll be going for sales. Either ways, for now, we are neutral on gbpusd, and yeah, we'll see how the market develops coming in the coming days ahead. Euro USD, also last week, we called Euro USD to be bullish. Although we were not interested in Euro USD, we were more interested in gbpusd, but we still also called Euro USD to be bullish, and you can see it played out nicely. So what are we looking for in Euro USD? We are still favoring the upside on Euro USD. So we'll clean up these charts now and show you how we come to this conclusion, okay, in 2 simple steps so that you'll be able to understand. So we'll clean this chart and we zoom this chart. All right, as you can see that Euro USD pro structure is what? Bullish. After it moved there and broke structure to the downside, okay. So if I remove this, I'll mark here to be what? A break of structure, a POS, and I'll move this chart a little bit back. Then this high becomes our most important high, while this low becomes our most important low. This is our pro range, right? So now, if we pick our fib from point A to point B, you can see that Euro USD is still at our discount. If the pro trend is bearish, we will be anticipating for Euro USD to come to premium. You can see that we currently identified that our pro structure is what? Bearish, and that Euro USD is still at discount, meaning we still want to see Euro USD move to the premium of our pro structure, where we'll most likely be looking for sales. Okay, now let's show you what the substructure is doing, which is the immediate structure we are looking to trade. You can see that after that break of structure that Euro USD had here, this market what? Moved up, pulled back, and now it's breaking structure to the upside again. Okay, so now this is our pro structure. This is not yet a break of structure for us. This for us is still considered to be a liquidity sweep. So this is the last break of structure that Euro USD had in this market. So this will be internal break of structure. So yes, this will be our low. This is still the low we are operating on, and this will be the high we are operating on. So this is our current. This is the current range we are looking to trade on Euro USD. So how are we going to be able to get involved in Euro USD? Personally, we are not looking to trade Euro USD because the structure is not the best. Okay, why? Because it's yet to break this high. Since this high is yet to be broken, we don't know if Euro USD will move lower, because this is a liquidity grab. It's not confirming to us that Euro USD will continue going up. So therefore, we will be staying neutral on Euro USD. But for the most part, we still want to see Euro USD moving up to this premium, so that we'll be able to look for what? Our selling opportunities. So having said this, Euro USD, we are neutral on Euro USD for the most part. And this is the end of our analysis on Euro USD. So Euro CAD, as we analyzed 2 weeks ago, to be bullish. Currently, the market is on a prime location for us to what? Allocate capital to this market. Okay, we are favoring the upside, as you can see the diagram on the markups on my screen. So I'll be cleaning up this diagram now and show you guys how we're able to come to this conclusion in 2 simple steps. You can easily see that Euro CAD was bullish here. He made his way up to this place and changed character. Okay, simple. This was a break of structure to the upside, and this a change of character. This means that Euro CAD pro trend is bearish. So this will be our what? Strong high, and this will be our weak low. Then this here will be our supply zone. So now, if we plot our fib from point A to point B, you can see that Euro CAD is already at our discount, our premium, where we should be looking for sales on the pro structure. Fine. However, let us now identify what Euro CAD substructure is doing. Okay, you can simply see now that Euro CAD substructure pulled back here and broke structure to the upside, broke this high to the upside. Okay, so this means this is a break of structure, internal break of structure, internal BOS, and this is our most recent internal low, and this is our most recent internal high. So you can see now immediately that Euro CAD structure is what? Bullish. internal structure is bullish. However, let us explain something to you before we conclude. We show you why how we are going to play this trade. You can see that when EuroCAD came to this supply zone, this was a break of structure in the past. Market structure shifted. This was where it signaled for internal for sellers to get into this trade. However, he violated this entry confirmation he gave here. Fine. So this means that EuroCAD wants most likely to be what? Bullish, to continue buying and most likely take out this high. So now we plot our fib from point A to point B. You can see that now EuroCAD is at our discount where we'll be what? Looking towards buy. So currently this will be our demand zone. So most likely Monday morning we'll be allocating capital on EuroCAD somewhere here. And our targets will simply be this high. Okay, so this is how we look to play EuroCAD, because EuroCAD has already shown us that it's rejecting the sellers and that the buyers are more interested in this market and most likely want to take out the strong high. So that is why we are very much interested in EuroCAD and looking to allocate capital to EuroCAD come next week, most likely. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. This is the best 3 pairs on our watch list for the week ahead. If you got any value and want to see more of these videos, subscribe to our channel, turn the notification on, and you'll be notified of our future videos.